Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can match cut audio on CapCut PC. So you do have to update your app first. Go to menu, more, select the version, and select check for updates. If there is an update, update it first because it won't work. So you can now use any audio that you want. Before it didn't work for some reasons, but now I think they fixed it. So add in any audio that you want. So I'm just going to select this audio. Then I'm going to just select auto beats, and you can add in either beat 1 or beats 2. You can kind of zoom in and see it. You can add in even more beats and delete them as well. So like if you want to delete this, for instance, just like slide this over and select it again, or just press Ctrl J for like the shortcut, or you can even clear it altogether. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!